So now, just to wrap up that long Tor discussion, this is how we ran Bitcoin D with our uh, outgoing Tor configuration and enabling the incoming Tor configuration. But we don't need to specify this at the command line. We can write it into our bitcoin.conf file. So I'm going to cd into my .bitcoin directory, take a look at what's in there. We have our bitcoin.conf file. So I'm going to edit that file, bitcoin.conf, and right now we just have that db cache line. So instead, or not instead, I'm going to add to it, um, and I'm just going to put a note, pound Tor support, so just a reminder to myself what this is for. So the incoming, or rather the outgoing Tor communication, we need to proxy our local address through the Tor port, and then let's see, actually let's do it this way. Outgoing Tor support incoming, we're going to enable listen equals 1, listen is true, and then we need to bind our local address, which I don't understand what that line is doing, but seems to be necessary. And so we're going to Control X to save this, yes, save the changes, enter to write, and so now the next time we start Bitcoin D, it'll apply those changes. So now let's get back to running this through Supervisor. We'll give it control of Bitcoin D again, start Bitcoin D. All right, so now it's started up. We can take a look at the logs. So I'm going to tail the logs and follow them. Show me the last 1,000 lines. Out.log. There we go. We can watch it starting up. And so we see that there's the proxy output information up here. And then we're going to wait to make sure that we see the Tor setup happening after we go through the rewinding blocks phase, just like we saw in the previous video. So we're waiting. All right, verify the last blocks. Tor control, thread start, great. We are bound to our local IP, and there is our onion service. Great, we are advertising our onion address to the Bitcoin network. All right, excellent. And that is it.